Well, my wife and I have lived here 15 years, and we knew we needed to have some work done with the fireplace, and we checked with a couple different companies. And what we liked the most about Dr. Flue was that this was their area of specialty, and we'd heard that already. But I was really impressed with the way they put a premium on making sure that the carpet in the house stays in excellent condition while they're doing this work here that they've done, and we've been real pleased with them. We've had them out several times.